Yes, good morning children. Welcome back to your online classes. Today is your maths class. So we have completed lesson number 2. We have started and we have completed exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3, exercise 4 and exercise 5 we have completed. Yes, no? So exercise 5, 4 mains are there. So we have completed 4th main. Find the minuend in the following sums. So some important points to remember. 100 page number 119. Okay, children. So take out your textbook. When zero is subtracted from any number, we get the number itself. Yes, for example, see 7. We can't cut 0. So 7, 5, 6, 8. So we get the number itself. When we subtract any number with the 0, we get the answer number itself. Okay, children? When 1 is subtracted from any number, we get the predecessor will get here 8, 5, 6, 3. Minus 1. 3, cut one finger, 2, 6, 5, 8. What I told successor here 96. Successor is 97. This is successor. Predecessor means, see 96 means 95 before number. This is after number. Successor is after number. Predecessor is before number. And a number subtracted from itself gives 0. See when we subtract 3, 6, 7 minus 3, 6, 7. With the same number, if we subtract 7 minus 7, 0. We can't borrow because 7, 7 is there. 6, 6, 0. 3, 3, 0. A number subtracted from itself, we get 0. So when two numbers are subtracted, the difference of two numbers is smaller than the minuend. The order of subtraction is important. Always subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. We should subtract smaller number from the bigger number. Addition and subtraction together. Yes, now we are going to learn addition and subtraction together. First part, see lesson name is addition and subtraction. First part we have completed addition. Now I am teaching you subtraction. Yes, no children? So now we are going to learn together addition and subtraction. Yes, exercise 6. First main. Exercise 6, first main. 42 minus 4,281 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0, 8, 2, 4. So this we called as predecessor because successor means 82. Predecessor means 80. So first answer is A. 4280. B. 17,400 minus 1. So how we are going to minus now? 17,400 minus 1. Here 0, here 0. So we'll borrow from 4, hundreds place. Here it will become 3. Here it will become 10. Because we borrow, it will become 10 now. So in 10 now, we have to see. I'll show you. I have written 1 here only. See 1. So it becomes 10. I should borrow for this. So it will become 9. This becomes 10. So I write it here. See 10. 10 minus 1. 1 finger cut means 9. So here it will become 9, 3, 7, 1. So your second answer is 17,399. B1 is 17,000 if you minus 1. Okay. Because 400 before is 399. C1. Your question is minus 1. So your answer is 9175. If minus 1. So If your answer should come this 175. So 176 here. 9176 minus 1. 6 minus 1, 5. 7, 1, 9. See, this answer I got here. So your answer is this. Third one, 9176. D. If your answer is same, what I told that time, see, 12,567. Your answer is also equals. Question you see, 12,000 comma 567 minus dash equals this answer only came. So what we should do? Minus. Minus if you do, this will come 7, 6, 5, 2, 1. So we got the same answer. So we should minus by 0. If you want the question answer same what the question is there. So if you do with minus 0 only, you will get the answer. Okay. When any number subtracted from itself, we get the answer 0. E. If the answer is 0, what will you do here? 42,801. But here 0. So if here 0 means what? 42,801. So then only it will come 0. So answer is 0. F. 16,217 minus 1,000. So if you do minus 1,000, how much answer will come? Because thousands place only will be changed. So here on all 0. So 7, 1, 2, 6 minus 1, 5, 1. Here 16,217. Here 15,217. Because we are changing thousands place. We are subtracting 1,000. Yes, no? Next, G. 41,017 minus 10,000. So if you want to do minus 10,000, 10,000's place only it will change. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. That time we change in thousands place. So 16,000 become 15,000. This we are going to change 10,000's place because 10,000. So 4 will become 3. Other number will be same because 0. In 7 we can't cut 0. So 7 only will be 1, 0, 1, 4 minus 1, 3. See, as I told, 10,000 place only will be changed. Here 41,017. Here 31,000 minus 10,000. So your answer is 31,017. Just copy the answer. 300 less than 14,000. 14,000 minus 300. Here 0, 0, see. 300, H sum, G after H. H sum 300 less than 14,000. So in 14,000 we should less 300. Here 0, here 0. Last and all I have written if down 0 is there below. So we'll copy the same number. Here 0, here 3 is there. So we should write 3 here directly. No, what we should do? We should borrow. So if you in 4, if you borrow, it will become 3. Here it will become 10. In 10, see in 10, cut 3 fingers. Your answer is 7. Here 3, here 1. See here, 13,700. So in 14,300 goes means 13,300. I. Here, minus 1. Minus 1 means predecessor. Okay, 6 minus 1, 5, 7, 1, 7, 1. So your answer is 17,175. Question is 17,176 minus 1. Okay, if we do minus 1, it will become predecessor. Plus 1 means it is the successor. Let's copy down this. This is exercise 6, first main. Yes, I think you're copied. Yes. Now second main. Solve the following. Second main. Solve the following. How will you solve the following? Yes. First question is. Yes. What will you do here? Solve the following. See, 4,179 plus. This is plus 6,810. Here it is minus. Okay, here it is minus 2,345. How will you do? Will you copy like this? Will you copy like this? Will you copy? Because in addition, 3, add vertically. Yes, no? If I given in horizontal like this, add vertically means you will copy like this only. Yes, no, children? In subtraction also, 2 numbers we are given. Subtract. In addition only, add vertically. So if you are given like this, 3 number or 4 number, you will copy like this. Yes, no? But here solve the following. 4,179 plus 6,810 minus 2,345. Will you copy line like this? It is wrong. How can you do addition and subtraction together? How can you do? This is wrong, children. You should not copy like that, okay? You should read the heading. Whenever you write a test or do the sums in the classwork or homework, you should read the heading. If I give like this, that is add vertically. This is solve the following. Plus and minus, both it is there. So first we have to copy 4,179 plus 6,810. First we'll do plus. We'll copy this step by step. Plus 9 plus 0, 9 only. 7 plus 1. 7 in the mind, 1 on my finger after 7, 8. This is addition. You should count. 1 plus 8, 1 in the mind, 8 on my finger after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can take bigger numbers, 8 in the mind, 1 on my finger after 8, 9. 4 plus 6, 6 in the mind, 4 on my finger after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you got 10,989. What we should do? This 10,000. You may think this 2 we did plus. Here it is minus. How, in which number we are going to do minus? Subtraction. So you don't know. So this 2 when you do addition here, what the answer? The sum will come. No, this sum we have to copy 10,989. See here. This 2 we did addition. I have put brackets. See, this 2 we have done addition. So we got the answer here. This answer, which we do addition after we get the sum, no. this sum we are going to copy here. If you copy only this subtraction, you can do it here with this sum. Minus, here it is minus. See here, we can't do together. So I did this too. We got the answer here. That answer I wrote it there. Subtract by that answer. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5, 4. So if you want to count after 5, up to 9 only you should count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer I got 4. 8, cut 4 fingers, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. Here 10 minus 2. If you borrow also, here it becomes 0, here it becomes 10. So no need to borrow. So I am having 10 fingers. Here no number. So directly you can count 10 minus 2, 8. So when you do this addition and this subtraction, we got the answer 8,644. We got the answer in the textbook in the corner you write. So when we do this two addition, 10,989 minus, so we took this sum and we subtracted 2,345. We got the answer 8,644. Yes, no? It's copied on this in a rough book one time. You can do all the sums. Okay. A second sum, B1, 56,178 plus 18,001 minus 12,010. So how you are going to do? Your number all 0 only. So first we'll add 56,178 plus 18,001. First we are going to do addition. This two number only plus. So this two number only we are going to do addition. 8 plus 1. 8 in the mind. 1 on my finger. After 8, 9. 7. 1. 1. 6 minus 8. What we should do? We should 6 in the mind. Sorry children. 6 in the mind plus addition. 6 in the mind. 8 on my finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4, 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So when you add this 56,000 plus 18,000, we get 74,179. So you should do subtraction. 74,179. Here 12,010. 12,010. Minus. This part we did addition because it is plus here. So I did addition. Here we'll do subtraction. Taking this sum, we'll copy this subtraction. Here 9 minus 0, 9. 7 minus 1, 6. Here 1, 0, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 4, cut fingers, 2. 7, cut 1 finger. 62,169. Your answer is 62,169. Is copied on this. Yes, finish copying. Yes, still one more sum I'll do. Other two sums you have to do. Third one, C. 85,127 plus 17,816 minus 41,213. Yes, how much answer will you get? So add this 85,127 plus 17,816. 7 in the mind, 6 on my finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 8 plus 1, 8 in the mind, 1 on my finger. After 8, 9. 5 plus 7, 5, 7 fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 1 carry, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So when you do here, you will get ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 1,02,943. So how much you will get? 1,02,943. So subtract this. Yes, this you should do 1,02,943. Subtract with which number? 41,213. 3 minus 3. 3, cut fingers. You should not borrow. You should not borrow. If same number is there, you should not borrow, children. You should write 0. 4, cut 1 finger. 3. 9, cut 2 fingers. 7. 2, cut 1 finger. 1. Here, 0. 4. So you should borrow this, it will become 0. Here it will become 10. 10, cut 4 fingers, 6. So you got 61,730. How much you got? 61,730. Yes, Shalira. Yes. Now, everyday maths, word problem. So, I'll do first one and second one, word problem. A farmer's irrigation system. So, those are not did the admission. So, I'll read the question. Take the help from your parents or brother, sister. So, I'll read the question. A farmer's irrigation system has plastic and metal pipes. He built it with a total of 4,271 pipes. If he used 1,751 plastic pipes, how many metal pipes did he use? See here, we should do addition or subtraction. Understand the question. Farmer's irrigation system has plastic and metal pipes. He is having, to plow the field, he is having plastic and metal pipes, both. He built it with a total of 4,271. He built with 4,000 total metal and plastic. He has built with 4,271 pipes. If he used plastic pipes 1,753, how many metal pipes did he use? So total he has used 4,000 change. For plastic pipes he has used 1,000 change. 7 means 1,753 plastic pipes. So for metal pipes how much he has used? So what in this, did you understand what we should do, addition or subtraction? So we should do subtraction. Okay, children, we should do subtraction. Number of metal and plastic pipes the farmer have. See, total number of metal and plastic pipes. He built it with a total of how much? 4,271. The pipes the farmer have. See, number of metal and plastic pipes the farmer have used. 4,271. How much you have used? See, he built it with a total of, see, metal and plastic pipes the farmer have used 4,271. So, number of plastic pipes he used. Number of plastic pipe he used. How much he has used plastic pipe? Total pipe he has used 4,271. Number of plastic pipes, how much you have used? 1,753. 1,753. So, we should do subtraction only. See children, when for you to write no place means because that red line, after we should do the sums. Before red line only, we should write the statement. So when you write the statement, no place means you write next line. Yes, no children? So I written like that only. After that only we'll use number of plastic pipes you use. When you write this, no, this line only you have to write this. You should not write it here. Which statement where you will write, no, there that number you should write in that place only. See, for me, first line, first statement, no place I written in second line. So I have copied that 4,270 metal and plastic pipes he have used. So number of plastic pipes he used. Number of plastic pipes he used 1,000. So in that line only I have written, see where I have written, no, that line only I have written. I did not write there. So what you should do? So number of metal pipes. See a number of metal pipes. Yes, number of metal pipes, metal and plastic pipes the farmer have used 4,271. Number of plastic pipes he used 1,753. So we want number of metal pipes he has used. How much he has used? So we should, what we should do? We should do subtraction. See, 1 minus 3, borrow 1, it become 11. 11, 3 finger cut. No 11 finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Up to 11 only I have to count 8. 6 minus 5, 1. So borrow here, it becomes 12. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Write 5. 3 minus 1, 2. So he has used, see number of metal pipes he used 2,000. See here, total he has used 4,271. Plastic pipes he used 1,753. The question is how much metal pipe he has used? How many? Okay. So we did subtraction. So the metal pipes he has used 2,518. So you can write therefore 2,518 metal pipes the farmer, you should write here 2,518 metal pipe the farmer used it for irrigation. Okay, how much he has used for to plow the field? He has used plastic pipes and metal pipes. So he used for irrigation. We have did subtraction. We have separated how much he has used. Total he has used 4,271. So how much plastic pipes and metal pipes We did it here. Okay, copy down, children. So I have done one sum. Yes, no? So other and all, just this all page number 123. That all the sums, so what problem is subtraction only. Just learn to write the statements. If you don't know to write proper also, just learn how to write. See, there is a big earthquake on the island. It causes 8,171 houses to lose electricity. If the total number of houses were 15,000. 15,000 houses, again an example I am giving, 15,000 houses is there means 8,000 losses electricity. How many houses are there on the island with electricity? So in 15,000, 8,000 houses lost electricity. So how many are having electricity? So what we should do? Subtract 15,000 minus 8,000. Learn to write the statement. So total number of houses on island with electricity. So 15,000. Number of islands without electricity, 8,000. Number of houses with electricity after the earthquake. So how much means you should do subtraction and write. So here I'll end my class, children. I'll give you maths homework. Take out your maths homework. So here I'll give maths homework, children. Maths homework, tables 13 and 14. 2 times. You have to learn. See here, I completed my lesson number 1, large numbers, and lesson number 2, addition and subtraction. I have completed full portion. Okay, children. So I have classwork as came PDF. So complete your classworks. Bring for correction on Fridays, every Friday. How much you have written? Okay. What we have sent PDF, fully you have to write not. One classwork you complete. Today English means tomorrow Kannada. After Maths, Hindi, EVS, like that one day you can sit and complete full. Don't write 2 pages English, 2 pages Maths, 2 pages EVS. No, children. Complete one subject, one lesson. It is there. If you have completed one lesson full, we have sent 2 lesson. You think. So if you have completed one lesson, bring one lesson for correction. How much you have written, you should bring. At least complete one chapter, okay, lesson wise. You complete and bring the classwork for correction with your parents. You should write in blue pen only. Don't use red pen. What we have sent in PDF, it is only red and blue, but we'll use red. You should not use red pen, only blue pen. Okay, children? So complete how much you have completed, bring for correction only on Fridays. Only on Fridays. Homework that time, you should bring homework book, classwork book. Stand for 2 seconds. We'll do correction. We'll give it back to you. Okay. So write, because lesson number 3 is multiplication. If you want to do multiplication, if you want to learn multiplication, first you have to learn tables. If you learn tables only, you can do multiplication and division. Addition and subtraction, see addition count in the mind. 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger, after 8 like that. Subtraction, open 10 fingers, cut 8 fingers, remaining is 2 like that. But if you want to do multiplication, first you have to learn tables. For division also, you have to learn tables. So every day learn the tables, okay? So lesson number 2, exercise 2. Exercise 2, page number 110. Page number 110, third main. Only one main is enough. Third main. Third main, one time. So your homework is tables 13 and 14, 2 times. Lesson number 2, addition and subtraction, exercise 2, page number 110, third main. That is what? Fill in the blanks. So write one time, neat, leave line, or don't leave line also, but neat handwriting, finger space. Okay, complete everything. So here I'll end my class, children. Thank you.